Hi, this is David, the teacher creator from ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, resources.eltbuzz.com, and I'm going to talk to you about our lesson library today. This is our informational page. You can look through all the features, our Go Digital, what you can do on the site, screen sharing, assign digitally, download the PDFs, etc. So all the information's here, but I'd like to show you the library. So click search, and that's where the library is. And it's a huge library. We started this as EFL Classroom back in 2004. All the resources have been constantly updated. It says there's almost 10,000 resources in the library, but most of them consist of multiple lesson plans and bundles. So there's vastly more than that, probably individually 40 to 50,000. We have instructional PowerPoints, we have flashcards, one-pagers, templates, course books, games, professional development materials, you name it. We're really doing a great job here, and that's why I'm really anxious to get more people signed up and show you the site. So the basic way to search is, say, just you're interested in dogs. There we go. We have 11 results, things coming up as dogs. If you want to further go into things, say this one's husky, you can click on the tags here and get further results. There's 8 results for husky. Click on the thumbnail and you can preview the first page. This is a book and exercises for the video at Chico. Really nice one. I'm not logged in right now, but if you're logged in, you can go to any of the, and subscribed, you can go to any of the products that are for premium members. If there's a free product, so let's just go free. Most of them you have to be registered to get the free products. There's 700 here. Click freebie and you can go through and get free products, but 50% you'll have to be registered, 50% you can just download. How do you register? Well, let's take a look at that. I'm actually logged in right now, so I'm going to log out and show you how to register. So go back to the library. And if you already are registered, you can click log in. But if not, just register or you'll be sent to the page. Fill in your details, we'll send you the password and some welcome email and instructions, and come back to the site and then start searching and finding lesson materials. I'm going to log into my account again because I'm going to show you a few extra features. There we go. Now when you're registered, you get this file drive. It's kind of your library. So you don't have to download everything. Just click save on the site and it'll be put in your library, and you go to this page, your account home, and you can also make folders of all your materials here and have them wherever you are. It's in the cloud, and you can access them when and wherever you want. If you have an access code, we send schools access codes, or sometimes certain people have access codes. Put your access code in there and it gives you additional access privileges and extend your subscription. Of course, you can upgrade. Click the upgrade. Our pricing is absolutely the lowest. Most sites are $24.95 a month for vastly less than what we have in our library. It's non-recurring, so you're not going to get slapped with a renewal without you knowing. It just ends right then, and if you want to resubscribe, you can come back here and pay again. Strongly believe in that. We have discount codes from time to time we'll send out, and here's some of the benefits you can read there. Year subscribing I recommend because you get access to thousands and thousands of PowerPoint leveled readers that you can download and use and put on your own Google Drive or whatever. Lots of them on academic or content-based instruction topics. But let's just go back to the library. And now I'm premium. Here's a free product, so I don't even have to be premium. Let's just go to that free product. So if it says free, you can access it. Sometimes you have to be registered, sometimes not. You'll get to preview the product, the lesson material. Things you can do, just download it right to your computer or phone. As I mentioned, save the library, save to your Google Drive instantly. Just put it in the Google Drive. Save to Google Classroom if you're part of if you are using Google Classroom, and assign it right there. Or additionally, you can click Go Digital, and here you'll find it listed with all your Go Digital assignments. Click Assign, and you can copy this link, and this link will allow your students to come to that page and complete it, or just download it or view it together. Also, Go Digital and Premium allows you to access the page and screen share it and go through it with your students. Many teachers are doing that with our readers. So they'll just share their screen if they're teaching remotely and go through the readers right here on the site. So that's another great option for you. Another thing I'd like to mention is, let's just go back to the library. We have a site directory. So this is nice tags. You can go quickly. So say you're interested in animation, videos with animation. We have 108 lesson plans for that. So site directory is good. If you're premium, this tag has the best products, mostly all ebooks and collections. So a quick way to access some of our best materials. If you don't want to upgrade, you can go to our Teacher Pay Teacher store. It has a lot of products that you can purchase individually, or a lot of free products there too. And lastly, I'll just mention our video lessons library. If you're subscribed, every video here has an associated resource that you'll be able to get in the library. So if you like a video, just click Get Lesson Materials, and you can download and use the associated lesson materials for that video. The videos are all the best for teaching English. We put a lot of work in that. There's over 1,500 videos on that site of all levels and types, and really proud of that. So thank you for bearing with me. If you have any questions, there's a contact page right at the bottom. Just fill in your details and I'll get right back to you. Help us spread the news. We're really doing a great job, and every week we publish from 40 to 120 new resources. Quality assured, not like you would get at Busy Teacher, where you have to reformat and struggle with whatever you got. So thank you for helping get the word out, and I look forward to seeing you on the site and using all of the ELT Buzz associated products. Thanks very much, David. Over and out.